When illness strikes, family members come together and try to help and comfort each other. When an incurable illness comes, thousands of strangers become one family, especially if it concerns a child. Heidi and Ryan's family did the same when doctors made a terrible diagnosis of cancer to their little daughter Lila. For 3 of her 5 years, the girl fought the disease, but unfortunately, the treatment had no results. The disease slowed down a little, but the child's body weakened so much that it could no longer withstand either chemotherapy or other treatments. The doctor's prognosis was dire. Lila has only a few months to live. It is impossible to accept or get used to the idea that your child is dying. The girl's parents decided to turn her last birthday into a fairy tale. They used their Facebook page to tell the world what had happened in their family. A huge number of people responded, and local businesses and volunteers took care of the festivities. There were too many important and interesting events Lila would no longer see in her life. It was decided that at her last party the girl would have a chance to look into the future after all. This party was both a graduation party, a wedding party, and just a fairy tale. Ryan and Heidi were helped, as the saying goes, by the whole world. Money for the celebration came from all corners of America. Voluntary donations from ordinary Americans made it possible to organize an unforgettable party for the dying girl. At the festival, the little girl chose for herself the role of Cinderella. And her faithful companions were beloved Disney princesses. When it came time to show Lila what a wedding is all about, Ryan made his daughter a proposal. He gave her an unforgettable dance so that his girl could feel like a beautiful bride for just a few minutes. Later, Ryan expressed his gratitude to all the people who helped their family during the struggle for their daughter's life and without whom it would not have been possible to arrange such a wonderful celebration. He was touched to the core by the fact that for a time the most important thing in the lives of thousands of people was his daughter's smile. And Lila was smiling, because it was not just a birthday, it was a miracle.